Hey, hello YouTube, I'm Karan from India, and in this video I'm just going to give the answer to a question asked by Mr. Katru Surya, that what is the difference between the percentage variable percentage and exclamation variable exclamation. So as you are watching this video and you are probably be a batch programmer and you have always used percentage variable percentage syntax for declaring a variable. For example, let me open cmd, and if I want to create a variable, I will write set a and let the value of variable be 1. So now if I want to see what is the value of a, so I have to surround it by percentage symbol. So now you can see the value inside the a is 1, but many of the batch programmers use this syntax in their batch code also. As you can see now, that exclamation a exclamation, this is also another syntax for declaring variables. And now you can see that cmd has not treated this syntax as a variable syntax, but inside the batch profile it will assume it as a syntax for the variable, but you need to do some extra things for that. The main difference between these two syntaxes is that you will get two example files when you will go to the corresponding link on the website, and website is TheBATeam.org, and you will get these two example files. Let me show you first example what I am trying to say. As you can see, the output is this, as I want to print 10 natural numbers. The problem with the first syntax is, as you can see, I have directly executed the batch script, and there is the same output we have got, that the value of counter variable after loop 2 is 2. So let us analyze the code, and now you can see that we have set the counters variable to 1, and we have printed the variable before the for loop. After leaving some blank lines, we are running it in the for loop that from 1 to 10. As you can see here, echo percentage counter percentage should return the value of counter, and it is returning the value of counter instead. But in the next line you can also notice that we are incrementing the value of counter by 1, but in the next loop it is not showing the incremented value of counter. This is because the for loop is running so fast that it is not giving the time to variable to get update its value. So for this problem we have got a special syntax for the variables, so that which delays the speed of for loop to get the right output on the console. So as you have noticed that this all is just lines that are printed. So to eliminate this problem, we have created the second example, that as you can see we have got the desired output in this case, and you can see that before the loop is 1, then starting the loop it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 10, and after the loop it is 11. So we have got the right output after the complete execution of the program. So how did this happen? Let's see. As you can notice here that we have added a special line that set local and enable delayed expansion. This line, enable delayed expansion, I call it as delayed expansion condition, DEC. So you have to enable the delayed expansion of for loop so that the variable could update its value. As now here nothing is changed, we are setting the counter to 1, and then we are printing the value, then again we are printing the value before the starting loop, and after starting the for loop, inside the for loop, instead of percentage counter percentage, we are writing exclamation counter exclamation. So this change will result in the required output. So now you can see that we are again incrementing the value. Nothing has changed, just we have replaced exclamations with percentages. Let's see what will happen if I will again write percentage here. So let's close this window, and now you can see again the same problem arises, but this time the counter variable has value 11 instead of 2. If you will notice in example 1, it has value 2 after the loop. So you can see that if we are using percentages inside the for loop, then it will be difficult to update its value, because for loop is running so fast that it is not allowing the value variable to update. Although the counter variable is being incremented each time the loop is running, because we have seen at the last the value was 11 instead of 2. So this is the main difference between the two syntaxes of the variable declaration: percentage variable percentage and exclamation variable exclamation. I hope you like this. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are in doubt, put your doubt in the comment below. I will try to answer it. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.